You know, Dancer and Vixen and Connor and Dixon, what do you recall? The most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you'd even say it glows. And all of the other reindeers would even laugh and call their names, and even let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you glide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him, they did even shout with glee. And won't you come in Rudolph's story?
Good job. What'd you think, Dane? Good job.